Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C53 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's find the security option. Let's enter and then scroll down to the very bottom to find more security settings. Here, let's enter encryption and credentials, and at the bottom of the, almost basically at the bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we will also have to enter the pattern, PIN or password, whatever you've got set. And as you can see, this option is right now inactive. It is of course because we successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.